What's up, guys? Today, Roman has the Grinch back on the dyno.
Yep.
Got her disconnected, back in two-wheel drive.
Two-wheel drive mode again.
What's the reason she's on the dyno?
I want to make sure we get two-step, and I need more power.
Turning her up?
Turn her up. Third and fourth. I hear they're pretty strong gears. So, third and fourth, we're going to give her some more boost and see what it does.
Nice. So it's still all stock tranny, but motor's built, if you guys didn't remember that. Jamie's in there right now, getting ready to do some adjusting on her. Brent's gone right now because he had to go take care of some family things. But Jamie's behind the wheel right now and gonna turn the Grinch up a little bit and see what happens. Hopefully it holds.
Yeah. I mean,
pray
it'll
for the
hold on
tranny.
dyno, right? I think.
Yeah, it should be good.
Yeah.
.32 on the first pull, letting out early.
Yeah, we're trying to adjust the whole map now because we moved the idle down and stuff, so everything's kind of lean.
Oh, the fuel's all off now.
We're spending more than 5 minutes on it this time too.
Yeah. Again, huh?
8,700.
That pop at the end scared me. I jumped.
Yeah, it shouldn't be doing that.
Yeah, it's 8,500 RPM that time.
It's not even getting to rev limit.
Nope.
It's cutting it out early.
Why?
No code.
Trying to do that, we were just trying to fix it.
Holy shit. Dude, your intercooler was freaking holding on for dear life.
Yeah.
It almost popped off.
Flexing out, I was like, whoa.
It doesn't have a mount on it. It needed to make a mount.
What'd you change from the last one?
I put Honda's sensor in it, so I guess it's all we changed.
The sensor?
Crank sensor.
I saw 22.
Jesus.
22?
What are you doing?
How much?
22 pounds.
Dude,
I think it was on a
737. It's a damn Boeing. That stock trans is hating life right now.
I know.
You get a dog box in there. I mean,
I think Emilio told me to.
Yeah,
that was our secret conversation you didn't hear.
Oh, that's what it was? Oh, Lord.
he said give her the beans.
Give her the beans. That's 22 pounds. I mean, let's go for 30. It'll make 9.
Motor will handle it.
Oh, the motor will handle it.
Let's test the limits of a stock K all-wheel drive tranny.
Lit the tires off too. Fuel was good?
So the crank sensor fixed everything? Or seemed to?
I got out of it before we ran all the way to rev limit.
Okay, but it seems to be better.
So far, it seems to be better. That puller seemed better.
Yeah.
Need some dyno sauce on her. There we go. Back down to 500. Right back to where we started.
Yeah, that's where we want to be.
Hey, but it's
make sure it pulled all the way
yeah,
through.
it's revving out now. So
Revving out. I mean, that was like 149 mile an hour.
Yeah.
so it must have been the sensor the whole time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because now it's good. Sean was right. He put his money on that sensor.
Good job, Sean. So that just made 738, but as you guys saw, the infamous boost pipe issue that never can get away from, unfortunately.
I was sitting there holding the camera like, please don't blow an intake off the intercooler.
No. So
Is that threaded?
that is threaded, yeah.
Yeah, you can like thread a V-band on or something, can't you?
Yeah, I could thread a V-band. I don't have one, but I could get one.
I know it. It doesn't have
So they
anything
probably
to...
have a thread on barb then too, huh? For a coupler.
Most likely. There's nothing for it to. There's nothing for it to grab onto. Just need a 1 in front of it.
Yeah. 1738. Hey.
Guys gluing the coupler on.
Hey man, that's not boost stuff. We're gonna make it happen.
What? So does that mean you're leaving it at that power?
No, we're going to the moon. It still wants it.
Are you actually turning it up
Yeah, why not?
just to see
Alright,
what
get that
it can
on
do?
there.
Yeah.
All right, send it.
Pull through all the way this way first. Keep your couplers on.
I was plugging Real Street for you.
Oh, get him. Do they have dog boxes?
Yeah, Real Street. You got dog boxes? Roman needs one.
I need one. I feel like I should clamp it on the threads.
I feel like you should.
Up top?
Clamp it as high up as you can.
Or get another clamp and clamp it 2 times. Yeah. That's a 3.5, huh?
Yep. No, this is 3-inch. Well, it's probably 3.5 up here though.
I'm talking about the T-bolt.
Yeah, the T-bolt itself.
Look at all the glue coming off. The Grinch is eating tonight.
Mm-hmm.
And there's
That's
that solenoid again.
That's that beefy boost
That's the
solenoid.
Grinch talking.
A
Shout out.
Speed Factory solenoid.
Yep.
She's a ripper. Now you just better hope that V-band holds on.
The V-band?
This one right here, remember?
Oh my gosh.
On your last car.
Talking about the housing.
Yeah, the housing splits in half.
Would be well net second.
She's good. That's good for 35.
Yeah?
Tested.
What clutch is in this thing?
Triple disc.
Oh, it's a triple?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, I'm sure it's okay, but yeah, there was a couple sparks coming out from underneath the bottom of the car on that last one. So, yeah, hopefully it's nothing
Yeah.
too crazy. My hatch had that same issue a long time ago, but the ring gear was coming loose.
Oh.
It was, I got lucky it didn't like go bad. They saw it, they remember back.
Tell this guy. He's gonna be like, how much did you stop now?
Hell no, to the moon!
Yeah, Brent kept the pulley from the minivan.
That was the one on the minivan, right?
Yep.
Oh yeah, and that thing flew off.
Attacking Shane.
Oh, dude, the crank pulley came off.
I saw that.
Shit. How many people remember the pulley that came off the minivan back at the old shop?
Shane.
It was like ting, ting, ting,
And
ting,
it just
ting.
like circled Shane too. That was the funny part.
Yeah, Brent's kept it in his box ever since. It's all like beat up.
537.
That was a memory right there. 570.
Yeah, something ain't right.
We're just trying to set it up by gear right now.
Oh,
We
okay.
changed
Oh.
the boost settings, so now it's
We're not going after power, we're going after
Boost by gear.
boost by gear.
So that's why the graphs all
Yeah.
wow, wow, wow.
On that one.
and it's set up by gear.
And it's set up
It's
by
set
gear.
up by
The
gear.
Grinch is freaking eating tonight.
Oh boy. Green eggs in hand
So-
tonight, boys. 760.
So see, we're at 48% duty cycle on everything. You just pull 48%
And then it'll
on the
be
lower
gate.
2 gears, so
Yeah.
it'll be on gate.
And then we're
Perfect.
gonna make 9.
We can stand it up harder too.
Right?
Todd wants to see you go to the moon.
I want to
wanna
see one moon pull.
That is a nice power, man.
There's a big power. Like, I don't think we need to touch anything else. Now we just need to work on launch control.
Yeah.
That's the next thing.
See, Jamie's over here keeping us all in check.
I know. And we all want one moon pull.
Shane, let's go live. Let's go. I don't know
What
what
was that? 760?
Yeah.
I've got to keep him there. He can't make more than my car.
What did your car make?
765.
Oh, damn.
Damn, so
you see that?
Damn.
Did to me? That's called
See?
PG-13. Yeah, how many pounds was that? Probably 20?
22.
Yeah, 22 pounds.
22. It actually fell back down to 21.
Perfect.
So we're
That's
leaving
like
it
what,
at 760.
Yeah, now we'll just work on launch control.
Yeah, we need some launch control on this thing.
But
Dude,
yeah,
760 is still.
Yeah,
That's
760 all-wheel drive is...
Versus your SRT,
Yeah.
what's going on?
760 to, well, that was 760 on the old turbo. We don't even know what it makes now.
Yeah.
But input shafts don't like that on SRTs.
Jamie's like, oh, I'll stop there. Can't make more than my neon.
Make more.
I'm the tuner. I call the shots.
Call the shots.
Well, originally it was give me 15 pounds in third and fourth gear.
And Jamie's
And then he's like, I need over 700.
and Jamie's not like Brent. If you give him a Rona, he still won't turn it up.
I
It
don't
takes
know.
more than one.
Yeah, it takes a couple.
No, I'm happy with that. 760, I mean, that's going to do some work.
And that's a lot more power band than you had before. Like,
Damn, you guys did a lot of pulls today.
well, there was just a lot of.
Ironing out the issues on her.
Trying to figure out that crank sensor. It was the whole crank sensor the whole time. Swap that out.
There you go.
Perfect. Yeah, so that's like before
Damn.
and after.
Before and after on the Grinch.
Yeah.
The red line was last time you got it tuned, and then that was just now. The blue line.
Yep. Oh, it's going to be wicked now. Because it leaves good on 5 pounds.
Dude, that training's really gonna be hating life right now.
Oh, stop it. We need to get a dog box in this thing. God dang. I know.
Everything's fully built to the moon except the tranny.
Everything
This motor is good
100%
probably for
done.
like 1200
Yeah,
honestly.
1200 horses for the motor. Everything's good. Turbo's good. Just that tranny's going to be the hard part. So
It'll
if
come.
anybody's got a dog box laying around,
Unfortunately, Brent does not have one laying around.
damn.
Damn, well, the Grinch did 760.
760, yeah. Think
And-
the tranny's going to hold up? So we
No.
take bets on how long? Yes. That's
Dude.
what.
That shit is
It's
great.
It's awesome. Definitely. 760. I'm super excited.
Who knows how long the training is gonna last at that.
We need to get a dog box, man.
Yeah.
That's what we're gonna do.
But you did get the boost by gear figured out,
Yeah,
so
boost by gears figured out. It's good to go. So.
2-step sounded awesome.
Yep. Definitely.
The Grinch is ready to eat.
Ready to eat.
Eat that stock tranny right up.
Yep. It's gonna.
Yeah.
I need you guys to go follow me on Instagram. A lot of you guys don't know about the Grinch, but pretty much the whole build's on my Instagram. Boostedboiz Roman. Go follow it. Check it out. Glue hell.
Yeah, the glue held up, dude. If it works, it ain't stupid.
Hell yeah.
Sean's coming up with all the ideas today.
Oh yeah. It's like, let's just glue it. Oh yeah.
Held 760.
Yep. 760.
Hook that drive shaft back up and
Yeah.
take her to the track.
Potato chip.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
All right, guys, we are getting out of here for tonight. I hope you enjoyed the video of Roman's car on the dyno. I had originally not planned on making a video about it, but we hung out and watched his car put down some power. It made 760, which is awesome. And I've honestly been busy all day today working on the shopping go-kart. I'm picking up from the last video, and I got a lot of little things done on it today. Not really enough to make a full video about, but I have everything prepared for tomorrow because I know that last video was really rushed. We just slapped the turbo on there and kind of revved it up and, you know, inflated some gloves. But this next video, I am going to have a lot more done on this thing. I am fully prepared to have this thing make and boost by tomorrow. That is my goal. So I spent a lot of time just fixing up little things. I will be going over that in tomorrow's video. And another thing I want to update you guys on, Emilio is here as well, and he actually went ahead and knocked out the bathroom and we got the walls painted in here. So that was awesome. He was working hard on that today as well. But yeah, that's gonna be it. I originally planned on not having a video at all for today, but Roman's car came through and did some sick stuff on the dyno. So we're just gonna throw that together for you guys. And tomorrow's video will be on the shopping go-kart once again, because I got this far on it. I'm not gonna give up on it right away. Not gonna let it sit for another month or two. I wanna get this knocked out and make him boost. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.